Hi lovelies, welcome back to my kitchen. It's Darmiey. I trust you're having a wonderful weekend. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make my special egusi soup. It's really easy to make and it's totally customizable. Let's get started. So for my proteins, I have some beef and some cow leg. I already seasoned it with some salt and seasoning cubes and some grounded uziza seeds. Now I'm just putting some eru or uda into the pot, and then I'm going to add one red habanero pepper and one yellow habanero pepper and half onion. Then I'm going to pour about 1 cup of water so that my pot can pressurize. So I'm going to cover this and then cook it on the beef setting. Once my beef is ready, I'll drain the stock and set it aside. So I'll be using some dried uziza leaves, some curry leaves and some basil. If you can find only scent leaves, you can use it too for this. And then I have some red bell peppers, rodo and onions. I'll blend all this together and then pour it into my pot. I'll let this come to a boil and then add some stockfish bits. I'll cover this and let the stockfish get soft and the water reduce. Now I'm blending some more uziza seeds. Then I'm pouring it into my dry egusi. I'm also adding some grounded crayfish. I'll mix this up. And then pour in blended onions. You can use water or meat stock for this part. If you're wondering what I'm doing here, I'm trying that TikTok hack to keep my cover on this side of my pot. It didn't work. Alright, so I'm going to add some white pepper, black pepper, and Cameroon pepper. So all these peppers, I don't really like spicy food. I just put it in little quantities just to get their flavors. So you can skip it if you don't like them. Now I'm adding some ground crayfish and some smoked prawns. I'll mix this well. And then I'll add my egusi mixture. So I'll cover it and let it cook, stirring occasionally to make sure it doesn't burn. Now I'm adding my meat stock to loosen up the soup a little bit. And I'm going to taste for seasoning. So I added a little bit small seasoning cubes and some salt. You can have this soup oilless or add just a little bit of palm oil like I did. Now I'm adding my meats back to the pot. So I'm just going to mix everything together and let it simmer for about 10 minutes so that all the flavors can combine properly. And this is how it looks. Lovely bowl of delicious goodness. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and also leave a comment in the comment section below on what you think about this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed already, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be the first to get notified when I post a new video, which is every Saturday by 12 p.m. Eastern Time or 5 p.m. West African Time. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.